I'm Diana Mondragon. I'm the head of respiratory biologics in AstraZeneca in the Andean cluster. First of all, we came here because this was a prize for the top performers of the company. It was mainly thought for the sales reps, but it actually was expanded to other type of colleagues. And the objective of AstraZeneca bringing us here is to think about innovation. We are a pharmaceutical company. We work in the healthcare industry, and we are looking in different ways to innovate so that we can take our products to the patients in an improved way. We just came from Novara Health. Novara Health is a startup based on patient follow-up. And they just took one variable, just one simple variable, which is patient's weight. And with that, they, through an app, it's a combination of the technology and people, because they have an app that follows up the patient's weight and the fact that a patient is weighing themselves every day. And they combine it with a health coach. So that combination has led them to have incredible results. Most patients have lost between 5 and 7% of their body weight, and that has led to improvements in the healthcare. So that's very interesting. It's something that, if you think about it, it's not rocket science, but we can definitely improve that. It's how to do things right with a great combination of using technology, using people, and especially understanding your patient journey, where are the leakage points on that patient journey, and how you can tackle those leakage points. So we're not finished yet. We're going to go and meet Tesla right now, and we're very excited about it. But I think one of the key learnings from this trip to Silicon Valley is that innovation is not a thing. Innovation is not something absolutely amazing that you're doing. Innovation is changing your mindset and how you see things differently, how you approach problem solving in a different way. So that's what we're taking home, that innovation comes from within, comes from having a good environment for innovation, comes from being proud where you work, of where you're working at, and for creating a great environment where you can actually make mistakes, and there is openness, you can talk about your fears, your mistakes, and that's where innovation will happen.